Hey everyone! Is your car having trouble shifting gears and your OBD-II scanner is showing code P0803? This code is related to the clutch switch circuit, which plays a critical role in smooth gear changes, especially in manual transmission vehicles. Ignoring it can lead to difficulty in shifting, starting issues, and even unexpected stalling. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0803 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components responsible for this issue. Let's dive in. What is P0803? The P0803 trouble code indicates a malfunction in the clutch switch circuit. This switch is used to detect clutch pedal engagement and disengagement. Symptoms of P0803 include difficulty starting the engine, especially in manual transmissions. Check engine light or transmission. Warning, light on. Unresponsive clutch pedal, erratic shifting or stalling issues. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0803. To diagnose P0803, check these critical components. Clutch pedal position switch. Location. Mounted on the clutch pedal assembly, usually near the firewall under the dashboard. Function. Detects when the clutch is engaged or disengaged and sends signals to the engine control module. Engine control module. Location. Typically near the firewall, under the hood or inside the passenger side footwell. Function. Processes. Signals from the clutch switch and controls ignition and fuel systems accordingly. Transmission control module. Location. Found near the battery, under the hood, or inside the passenger side kick panel. Function. Works with the ECM to manage clutch operation in automated manual transmissions. Wiring and connectors. Location. Runs between the clutch switch, ECM, and TCM. Function. Transfer signals. Any damage can disrupt communication and trigger P0803. Common causes of P0803. Faulty clutch pedal position switch. If it fails, the ECM won't receive correct clutch signals. Misadjusted clutch switch. Incorrect positioning can cause false signals or no signal at all. Wiring issues. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt signals between the switch and ECM. Faulty engine control module. Rare, but an ECM failure can cause incorrect clutch data processing. Short circuit in the clutch switch circuit. A short or open circuit in the wiring can trigger P0803. How to fix P0803. Step 1. Inspect the clutch pedal position switch. Check for physical damage or misalignment. Step 2. Test the switch with a multimeter. Ensure it's functioning properly when the clutch is engaged. Step 3. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Repair any damaged wires or loose connections. Step 4. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and check if it returns. Step 5. Replace the clutch switch if necessary. If the switch is faulty, replace it with a new one. Final words. A P0803 error in the clutch switch circuit means your car's transmission system isn't detecting clutch engagement properly. This can lead to starting issues, rough shifting, and even stalling. Checking the clutch switch, ECM, wiring and connections is key to solving this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0472, exhaust pressure sensor circuit low. P0473, exhaust pressure sensor circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.